In this simple tutorial, professionals can learn to make more compelling animated videos step by step. This case tutorial includes two parts. Part 1 is to watch a case. Part 2 is to make this case video step by step. Let's start to watch a case. We are going to talk about the Earth movement. The Earth refers to the planet as part of the universe. Mr. David, the geography teacher, will show us how the Earth moves in his class. The two main movements of the Earth are the rotation of the Earth around its axis and the revolution of the Earth, or orbital motion, around the Sun. Follow us and learn more Earth movement knowledges in next class. In part 2, you can make this video case in 4 steps. Step 1 is to create a new project. Step 2 is to customize scenes one by one. Step 3 is to add background music and scene transition. And Step 4 is to publish your animated video online or offline. Let's start with Step 1, create a new project. Open Animiz, then click New Empty Project button. You can go to the editing interface and create a new project directly. Next, you are able to customize scenes one by one. Before editing this case, let's open this project and have a look. This case has applied more camera and animation effects. It includes 2 scenes. Preview Scene 1 before editing it. In Scene 1, you need to design a scene background. Add SWF, shape, images, camera effects, roll, text, subtitle and recording. Meanwhile, you can apply more animation effects to animate your videos. Now let's start to create Scene 1. Design Scene Background. Click Background button, then click the green icon in the background track. Choose one of the background color to apply in your scene. Then add SWF. Click SWF icon. Choose Star option. And then drag one of the SWFs to the canvas. You can beautify your scene background in this way. Meanwhile, we recommend you to customize object animation effect and play order in timeline when you add different objects to canvas. Double-click object entrance animation bar to customize its entrance effect. You can customize its exit animation effect in the same way. Then continue to add shape. Click Shape button. Choose the circle shape. Add a circle in canvas. And fill the shape with yellow color and border in the right property column. And then add images. Click Image button. Then click Add Local Image button to add image. Choose the image and click Open. Then copy and paste this image in the canvas. And then zoom in and rotate this yellow circle image. And then add emphasis effect to the yellow circle. Click the green icon between its entrance and exit animation bar. Choose the rotation effect and click OK button to apply. Then continue to add image. Add other images in the same way. Then add move emphasis animation effect on the image 1, 2, 4, 5 and 6. Click the green icon to add move emphasis effect. You are able to customize the move track in canvas. Then add move animation effect on other images. And then add rotation emphasis effect on the image 3. Then add camera effect. Click Camera button. Then click the green icon on the camera track. Adjust the camera on the canvas. Then add searchlight emphasis effect on the image 3. Then add camera 2. Continue to click the green icon on the camera track to add. Adjust the camera bar to certain second in timeline. Then adjust the camera location on the canvas. And then click the green icon on the background track to change scene background. Adjust the background bar to certain second in timeline. Move the playhead to preview the effect. Then continue to add image. Move the object animation bar in timeline to change its play order. Then add camera 3 to zoom out the scene. Change the camera location on the canvas. Then add camera 4. Change the camera location on the canvas. Here we need to increase the scene duration for further editing. Click the plus icon to increase scene duration. Then continue to add images. Move the object's animation bar in timeline to adjust their play order. And change their animation effect as well. And then add a roll. Click the roll icon. Choose a roll in the pop-up window. And then choose a roll action effect. Click the roll action effect to add roll. Adjust roll play order and animation effect in timeline. Meanwhile, you are able to add more than one roll action effect. Click the green icon to add more action effect. Then continue to add text. Click text button. Then click add text button to input text in canvas. Edit the text properties. Adjust text play order in timeline. After finishing editing all objects, you are able to add subtitle and recording. Add subtitle. Click subtitle button. And then click the green icon in subtitle track. Then you are able to add subtitles. Edit subtitles font, size, color, location and more. Finally click Save button to add subtitles. Move the subtitle bar to the certain time you want to add. And then you are able to add other subtitle in the same way. Finally add recording. Click Record button. Then click Start Record button. You can start to record your voice. We are going to talk about the Earth movement. Then click the Stop Record button to add recording. You can add other recording in the same way. And finally the scene 1 has been done. Then you can start to create scene 2. Preview scene 2. In scene 2, you need to design scene background, add SWF, images, camera effect, text, subtitle and recording. Let's create scene 2 together. Click New Scene button. Then click Add a blank scene to add a new scene. And then design a scene background and add SWF. The step is the same as the scene 1. Then continue to add images. And then customize their emphasis effect. Click the green icon to add aperture emphasis effect for image 3. You can add more than one emphasis effects to one object. Then continue to add move emphasis effect to other 4 images. Adjust the move track in canvas. You can drag the node to change the move track. Then you can customize other move emphasis effect in the same way. Move the playhead to certain second you want to add camera effect. Then click the green icon on the camera track to add a rotating camera. Rotate and zoom out the camera on the canvas. Then continue to add image and text. Customize their play order in timeline. Then add text emphasis animation effect. Finally add subtitle and recording. And scene 2 can be done in this way. After finishing editing all scenes, you can add background music and transition effect between scenes. Add background music. Click Background Music button. Then select the background music to add. You can adjust background music volume. Delete and change background music as well. And then you can add scene transition effect. Click Add Transition button. Then select one of the transition effects to add. And finally you are able to publish your animated video online and offline. Click Publish button to publish your animated video. Choose Publish to Cloud to publish your animated online. Choose Video category and customize video properties. Then click Publish button to publish your video online. Finally, you can share your online videos as you wish. In addition, choose Video. You can publish your animated video offline. Customize video properties. And click Publish button to publish your animated video offline. Finally, your animated video can be done right away.